Direct Connect and related services are one of the most important topics in AWS Professional examination. It is very difficult to understand these network services because these are enterprise level services. And it is hard to create a direct connect connection or direct connect gateway or transit gateway or your local account. So you have to rely on theoretical knowledge unless you are working in organization in a team which is actually implementing this. There are a lot of good tutorials available which will thoroughly explain these services. I will explain these services and usage from examination point of view and to help you select the correct answer. So let's start. The most recommended design is create transit gateway in each region. Connect VPC from same region to this transit gateway. Connect transit gateway to direct connect gateway. Direct connect gateway is global service. Attach direct connect from each region to this direct connect gateway. In short, direct connect in each region connecting to global direct connect gateway, connecting to transit gateway in each region. If your question asks to give a stable performance, then direct connect should be part of your option. On the other hand, direct connect is not the right option if the solution is asking for cost-effective network connection. Direct connect is regional, but direct connect gateway is global. If you are asked to create a solution which is multi-region, then direct connect gateway will be the part of your architecture. Direct connect neither encrypt neither decrypt the network. To connect public services like S3, create public virtual interface. To connect private services like EC2 instances with private IP address, use private virtual interface. To connect transit gateway, you need to create transit virtual interface. You might be tricked to ask whether you need to create private virtual interface or public virtual interface when you want to connect a virtual gateway with encrypted network. The encrypted endpoint of virtual gateway are public IP addresses. So you need to create public virtual interface in this case. Always remember, public virtual interface access services in public domain and private virtual interface access services in private domain. This is very favorite topic and you might be facing one question on this topic. All VPC connected with transit gateway with external traffic routing via route table in transit gateway to sidecar VPC is best pattern. So choose something like this. I will put some more videos in same context. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and support my videos.